pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. Is this what you wanted to see?
It wasn't exactly that I wanted to see it. I wanted to do something that others wouldn't.
The city looks like a starry sky. Are those lights from the festival?
Are you worried about Tsukamoto?
Eh? Of course not! Anyways, it's not like that.
So it's not like that. Hey, no one else would be crazy enough to hike up a mountain on a festival day, right?
Well...
I thought you would be able to understand. I don't try to get close to people who don't interest me. Being relieved to know you're the same as someone else is stupid. I want to resist going along with those kinds of people. Maybe not the whole picture, but you kind of get it, right? That indescribable feeling.
I get it. I understand how you feel.
Reina.
Reina.
I want to be special. I don't want to be like the others. That's why I play the trumpet. To distinguish myself.
At that moment, I was so captivated. I felt like I wouldn't mind losing my life. Can you distinguish yourself just by playing the trumpet?
I can. If I practice lots and improve, I can stand out even more. I won't be someone who just thinks they're remarkable. I will be truly outstanding. I knew you had a terrible personality. Are you ready?
I'm ready. What are we playing?
The one we played in the third year of middle school. At the farewell.
That one?
I like it.
All right.